Hey, what's up YouTube? Let me show you my chicken coop. Give you a quick angle on all sides. The dimensions of the coop are 8 feet wide by 12 feet long. I have chicken wire all throughout our walls, and also the roof. I have the actual structure of the run is made by mostly 4x4s. Have them across the top and also across the bottom. Under the 4x4s I also have gravel. So I have about a foot of bed of gravel, and of course also on the outside of the perimeter. Also, I have about 2 feet of this plastic green chicken wire. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure the exact name, but that's what I have all throughout the perimeter. Of course, I have my door to go in the run. Pretty much secured with the regular latch. I'm probably gonna end up putting a lock there or some kind of mechanism, so I hear raccoons are able to open those kind of latches, so eventually I'm gonna put something there. Entrance to the actual chicken house. Let me see if we can focus. Okay, there you go. I also have a sliding door for security. As you can see, some eye hooks, and that rope goes to the outside. Put these, also got these pieces of branches. The chickens love to roost. That's how they sleep at night, for security, but they still are not using these because they use the one on the outside. Maybe in the winter time they'll probably go inside, or when I have more hens. Usually clean this out about once a week. Boom, that's how easy it locks. That's here for the actual nesting box. I have 3 nesting boxes. They only use one. I get about an egg a day. I have 2 hens, so I guess that's pretty good. There we go. This is the rope, the mechanism that for the sliding door, in case I want to close it and open it. Pretty self-explanatory. Have a red tin roof for the rain. It's worked pretty well so far. Eventually I want to add some kind of drainage system to collect rainwater. But little by little, I don't want to rush too much, invest too much money in it that fast. I put this branch. This is where the 2 hens and the rooster sleep at night. This is pretty much, it works well for them. This is all they use at night. Let me talk to you about this box real quick. I recently, we wanted more chicks, but we saw that the hens were not pretty, they were just not taking care of the eggs. I mean, I believe we got up to 10 eggs at one time in the nesting box, and we really wanted more chicks. And of course we have our rooster, so we knew we could get chicks. But the hens, I'm not sure, they never really got into that, and they never really wanted to take care of their eggs. So we actually bought chicks from Tractor Supply a few days ago. I think the chicks, they look like, I think about a week old, I think. So during the daytime we keep them in here. As you can see, they're separated from the actual flock and the other birds. We keep them here during the daytime. In case it starts raining, we put them inside. But during the nighttime, we actually keep them in a container inside the house with a little warming light, and of course their food and their tree shavings. But you could see they dirty their eating box very, very fast. I gotta change that water at least 3 times a day. So, but yeah, as you can see, they seem pretty happy. In the morning, I put a little bit of some corn, some little corn pieces with some nuts and a little other stuff, and they love to scratch all day, and they feel like they're in the natural habitat, and I think that's good for them, you know, instead of keeping them in those plastic containers a lot of people use. So I'm probably gonna keep them in here for maybe a month. Maybe they're about that size. I think those are about a month old. I have 4 of those, 4 little chicks. And you have to watch out, man. These hens get pretty aggressive towards those baby chicks. So I know it's not the right way to put them, and I put them in too early, but I really had no other way to put them at. So what I did, I actually put this piece of plywood and I nailed it to the side. So when the hens get pretty aggressive with those chicks, they actually run under there. And I mean, they stay pretty safe. They're pretty quick. So they've been pretty good so far. They've been it's worked for us, it's worked for them. So I'm gonna keep it that way at least for a while, unless these guys get big pretty quick. So I've had them in here for about 2 weeks already, so I think we're good now. But yeah, this is my chicken coop. This beautiful rooster right here actually belongs to one of my neighbors. Ever since I brought those hens in here, he always sticks around. He's always here. But yeah, one more thing, actually I put these windows for some ventilation in the summertime. Also got some extra, did a couple of layers of chicken wire just for extra security. Works pretty, it's worked pretty well so far. Haven't had any break-ins, so that's good. But yeah, guys, this is my chicken coop. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. I'll answer anything, as many as I can. And yeah, and I'll take take any advice too, any pointers. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. I'm very new to this, but oh man, I highly enjoy coming out here every morning with my children and feeding the chickens, and they absolutely love it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya. Thanks.